happy sunshine. Going home with the tropic. Wow. Ooh, that way. So tropic.
Want to go fishing?
Oh no, the blue car is so scary, the truck.
Mama,
Oh.
I want to go fishing.
Next time, okay?
Okay, next time.
Oh, no more traffic here.
I want to go home. I miss student.
The traffic is done again. Traffic. Early in the morning. Here we are at KL.
So guys, ito ang nahuli ng asawa ko sa pag-boat fishing niya. Nag-boat fishing siya dito sa Klang. Hindi na kami sumama ni Eugene kasi gabi na and also dangerous. So ayan, ito ang kanyang mga nahuli. So hanggang ano siya, from 8 p.m. to 12 a.m. So guys, ito ang kanyang huli. Stingray and some other kinds of fish. The end. Like and subscribe. See you again.